Hey everybody, Blaine here. If you're ever wondering how to take apart a Toro Power Clear, this is how you do it. There's a Phillips head there, a Phillips head here, there's one on there, and one there. Then there's, for the chute, that's normally bolted up there, there's 3 Phillips head with 3 14mm nuts. You take that off, that removes the chute, which leaves this plastic cover holding on the cover. It's 3 10mm bolts. Remove the gas cap, take the cover off, and you have access to the whole engine. Then you drop this 10mm off, this 10mm, and this drops down this whole cover right here. And you have complete access to everything that you need to do and service on this machine. If you guys have any questions, drop a comment. I'll release another video on whatever your suggestion is to help out. Thanks for following. Please rate, subscribe, and share.